This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, all. My voice is audible, ma? Hello, girls. My voice is audible. So we had to continue with the what is that function? Repeat function we had to do. Okay. In the previous class, till where we have completed average if. Okay. The today's from where we had to start repeat function. See here equals. Give the equals. REPT repeat short form. Tab key. And then girls, here it is asking text. See the format here in the formula text. So we need to select the text, comma, how many number of times if you want to repeat, for example, 3 times. Give here 3 or 4, how many times you want, you have to mention that. Just enter. See how many times it is repeated, word, word, word. Okay, just you have to drag this. Every text it will be going to repeat as 3 times. Okay. Just a minute, girls. Just a minute, ma, girls. The next function, understood, no, the repeat function. So how many times you have mentioned in the formula, that time, that number of times it is repeated. To edit the formula, the function, you have to press F2, girls. I told you, no, in the yesterday's also, the yesterday's class. So 3 times it is repeated. Okay. So text we have selected comma three times. You want to edit that, for example, 4 times I'll give. Enter you press. Just you have to drag. See here, four times it is repeated, girls. Okay. The next function, find function. So in the yesterday's class, I taught you uh, the same thing only. Search, find function, both are same. See, listen how to do this. C equals find the text. For example, which letter you want to find out here. Okay. For example, B letter, girls. I want to find out the B letter, ma. You have to give it here in the double quotes B, comma. Then text you should select it within the text. Okay. Press enter. See, it is in fourth position. B letter, it is in which position? It is in fourth position. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the keyboard, it is in fourth position, girls. Just to drag it out. See the in the motherboard, the B letter, it is in which position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B letter, it is in eighth position. Okay. In the joystick, so B letter, it is not there. That's why there is no results for this. No results only. Okay. Scroll it. Are you understanding what I am explaining, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. So next one, we had to find out time function. The next function, what I am explaining, time function. In that, we had to find out hour, minute, seconds. So in the time, we had to segregate. See, 10 o'clock, 15 minutes, 2 seconds. So we had to, what we had to do? We had to segregate that by using this. See how to separate the hour, minute, everything equals. The function name is what? Hour. Equals hour. Tab key you press. Select this time. Press enter. See, 10 o'clock is an hour. Next one, I want to find out minute. M-I-N. This one. Select this. Press tab key. Select this time. Enter you press. 15 seconds. The next one, second. Equals second. Select the formula. Tab key. Select this time you select. Select the time now. Enter you press. 2 is what? Second. 10 o'clock is an hour. 15 is a minute. 2 is a second. Okay. Come to the next concept. How to find out the percentage. Here I am not using any percentage formula. Without using the percentage formula, I can find out, girls. How? See, I'll show you. Hmm. Equals. For example, I got uh, 610 out of 625. In SSLC, I scored 610 out of 625. Okay, into 100. Kannada, Kannada subject, it is conducted for 125 marks. Okay, remaining subject totally six subject. The Kannada subject is 125 marks. Remaining subjects are 100 marks, girls. Okay, how much I scored? 610 out of 625 into 100. Enter you press. So how much percentage I got in SSLC? 97.6%. Okay. The next one is find the results whether it is passed or fail. This one I'll be going to explain afterwards. I want to explain today logical function. After explaining the logical function, girls, then I'll be going to show you this formula for you, how to find out pass and fail. Okay, after explaining the logical function, I'll be going to explain this. Continue. I'll continue later. This one. So let us discuss the next one. First, I'll finish off simple things. The next one I should be find out here factorial, girls. So how we are going to find out factorial? What is the factorial value of 4? Hmm? Any idea you have? Factorial. Factorial, girls. How to find out factorial, ma? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, see, I'll show you how to calculate. Equals fact tab key. See what it is asking in the format number. Select this, enter. 24. 4 into 3, 3 into 2, 2 into 1. If I multiply, then it will be going to show you the results 24. 24 is the answer. Then what is the factorial for 6? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Just drag it. See. So from the formula also we can find out in the easy method. Okay, right? The next one, power 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the, sorry, 5 to the power of 3. So like that we had to find out, girls. You had to type the formula power 2, select comma, and then we had to select. 1 second. The space is not enough here. I want to increase the column width. Yeah. So now equals power 2 comma 2 you select. Okay. 2 to the power of 2. 2 into 2 how much? 2 2s are 4. See 4. 5 to the power of 3. 5 into 5 into 5 how much? Just you drag. 125. 1296. 7 into 2. 7 to the power of 2. 49. See the results we have find out now. The next one, girls. Ceiling. Understood now power, how to find out the power? 2 to the power of 2. Two to the power of 2, 5 to the power of 3. That is what the power functions we have done. The next one,
I'm not able to use this function, ma'am. It says
which
too
function?
few arguments. Power function.
Power not coming.
No, ma'am, it says too few arguments.
Wait 1 second. I'll show you once. So you delete that results, select the cells and press delete key from keyboard, delete off.
Okay, ma'am.
Equals power POW. Tab key you press. Type the formula like this. Select the number 2, comma 2. Number, comma power. 2, comma 2 you select.
Ma'am, I did the same thing. It's not coming.
Okay. If I enter it, I'll get results. Now also it is not
Yes,
showing for you.
no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Check properly, ma. See, I have selected like this. Even you should also select like this. You people are working in the same file only, no? What is the wrong
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
coming? Hmm? See, once you increase the column width like this, ma. Increase the column width like this.
Okay, ma'am. 1 second.
Increase the column width. Then you do the formula now. Then apply. Completed. Got it?
Ma'am, it says Excel is not responding.
Hmm. Close once and reopen. In the break
Okay,
time,
ma'am.
you do. Okay. Again, if you are
Okay, ma'am.
getting the same problem, you ask me. I'll show you once again.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
See the next one, ceiling. Okay, girls. Here you give 22, all of you, and then here you give the value 5. Just to increase the column width of the result. The J column is done, just to increase the column width like this. Keep the cursor. Now I want to find out for these values ceiling. Actually, is what is ceiling? So it will show you next divisible number is known as ceiling function. What is the function of ceiling? Which will shows you next divisible number. Okay, that is nothing but ceiling. Equal ceiling. Select the formula, press the tab key. 22 you select, comma you give, 5 you select. The 5 value will divides from 22. No. Next value 23, from 23 5 will divide. No. 24 will divide from 5. No. Then 25 will divides with 5. Then answer will be 25. From 22 5 will not calculate, 5 will not divide. From 23 24, no. Then what is the results? It will show you next divisible number, ma. From 22, if it is not happen, it will go into the next one. 23 also not possible. 24 also not possible. Then after the 24, next value is 25. 25 is your the results. Okay. Understood, ma? Ceiling function or any doubts you have? It will show you next divisible number. So next one, floor. Here I am giving 22 and then here I am giving 5. So girls equals, the function name is floor. Select this tab key, you press. 22 select, comma 5. This function which will show you previous divisible number. What it will be going to show you? Previous divisible number. See, from 22 5 will not divide. From 21 it will not divide. From 20 it will divide. You have to go for the previous. From 22, 21, no, 20 is the answer. What is the results for you? 20 is the answer. It will show you previous divisible number. Ceiling is, it will show you next divisible number. Just scroll it. Someone is asking me in the yesterday's class, ma'am, what is count? What is counter? Count blank. Someone asked this question in the yesterday. Today I'm explaining that. Okay. Count, counter, count blank. What is the use of these functions? Count function is the no that will be going to count only the values. The count function which will count only the value means number. Counter is there no that will be going to count number as well as alphabet. Counter function will do, it will count number as well as alphabets. What about then the count blank? The count blank function that will helps you to count only blank cells. Blank cells. Count blank is the no that will count only the empty cells, blank cells. See here I have some data. NICT 012. So HT, no, till here it is there. 9635. This is what, girls, this is my data. Here I want to find out the count function, ma. Equals you put here. Count, tab key. See from where to where I had to select here. From NICT 012 9635. Till that I should select. Okay, what is the range actually selected here? A 208, A 218 is to 8, A 228, the cell range. Okay, from NICT 012 9635 is there, no? Till that you should select. Enter you press. What is the answer? You got it here. What the answers? Results 3. 3 is what? Results. Bits. So hmm. How the 3 you got it, ma? Wherever only number is there, only that much is counted here. Okay. See, I'll show you. This one. 7895. Only number is there in that cell. 1. This one. 1002. And then last one 3. That's why the result is 3. So any one of you tell me what is count function, girls? What is count function?
Count function actually basically counts the numbers in the
Only the
data.
number in the cell. Only numbers in the cell. What about the next one? C equals. So counter, tab key you press. See from where to where I have to select from NICT 012 9635 till that I should select it. Enter you press. So what are the results you got it? 9 value you got it. How the 9 value? You had to count everything except blank cells. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't count this. 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. So text as well as number. Text as well as number, both it is counted here. Okay. The next one is count blank equals. Select the formula. Tab key you press ma. See from where to where I'm going to select here. From NICT 012 9635 till that I should select it. If I press enter, what the results I'll get? 2 is the answer. Wherever it blank cell is there, here it is there, here it is there. See, for example, I'll be going to delete this much of data. The TCS, this one and this one. I'm deleting this data. If I delete this data, automatically the results will be going to update. Now the result is 2, 6, and then 5. How many cells are blank is there? 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 are there. Okay. Control Z you do. Undo you do. You will get back the deleted things. If you want to get back, Control Z. Counter. What is the counter function? What it will be going to do? Counter. Counter.
It counts everything except blanks.
Ah, good. What about count blank?
It
What
only
about
counts
count
blank.
blank? Yeah, very good. Nice answer. So the next one is count if. I'll show you how to do this. Very important function, ma. This one. Count if. From by using the count if, what all the things I should be find out means. So how many students got first class? How many students are got second distinction fail? So those students I should be count. So here I don't know how many students got first class, second class, all the things. Okay. See here I'm doing equals. Just a minute. I should increase this column width. To find out the results, you have to increase the column width. Equals count if tab key you press. See girls, what should I want to do? I should select the range. So you select the range here. Select the range, comma, and then what it is asking the next one, criteria. Criteria is what? Condition. Condition. So I should select the condition here. The condition has to be written in the formula in the double quotes. Double quotes FC. FC means first class. Why I'm giving here FC only? Because in the data, whatever the things it is there, that one only we should be give it in the condition. Here short form is there. If I type first class, it will not match. Whatever the data here it is mentioned in the result, that one only I should be give it in the criteria. So close the double quotes, close the bracket, enter you press. See how many students are got first class? 6 students. You can count how many are there. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one 6. Totally 6 members. So now I want to find out second class equals count tab key you press, the range you need to select, the range, comma you give, open the double quotes. SSC means second class. Okay, close the bracket, enter. How many are the second class, ma? 2. See here, Meera and then Rita. The same thing we had to do it for distinction and then fail. For the fail, I'll do it. Equals count if tab key, data range you select, comma you give. Sorry, I have not selected properly. The whole data I should select. Select it properly. Comma. Open the double quotes. FAIL, fail. Close the double quotes. The condition has to be written always in double quotes. Enter. How many are there? Failed students? 2. Who is that? Priya. Priya and then Yash. Both of them are failed. Understood, no girls? Count if. By using the count if, so here I want to find out the attendance sheet. Means I want to prepare the attendance sheet, and then I want to find out how many number of students are absent, how many number of students are present. So that one I should be counted. Is it possible, girls? How many students are present, how many students are absent? For example, Priya. Priya, I took 10 classes. Okay. She attended, means how many number of classes present, how many number of classes absent. That one I should be counted. Is it possible? Yes. So 5 minutes I'll give you. So take a new sheet. In that new sheet, so some 5 students name you give it. The date you give the date from today's, from 15th September. Okay. So just you count. Do it, girls. Then I'll show you how to do that.
Can
For
you do this once again? I'm not able to do it.
this one, count if.
Yes, ma'am.
The one I'll show you, the first one. Here I want to count how many number of students got first class. Here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, by using formula I can count. Count if, tab you press. The range we had to select the range, comma you give, open the double quotes, FC. Give the condition. Always the condition has to be written in double quotes. FC is the first class. The range has been selected. The range means the whatever the data we have prepared, that one. The data we have selected after that, and we have given the condition. See, I don't want to count for everything. Only for first class students I should be find out. If I enter, then I will get the result 6. 6 students are first class. Yes, correct. The same thing you should do it for everything. Now you got it understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what I am telling, for the 5 students from today date, from 15th of September, 15 for 5 days, 5 students. So how many number of days they have attended, present, absent, you count it and show. Do it. I take a new sheet. First you prepare the data, give the student names, give the date. For few students put it absent, for few student you put it present, make it them present and absent, and then you use this formula. So you find it out. How many students are passed, sorry, how many students are absent and present. Count it, girls. Start doing. I'll give you 5 minutes time. After that I'll do it. I'll show you on the screen how to do that one. Prepare the attendance and then count it. Count it, girls. Start doing 5 minutes. I'll give you the time. Are you doing, ma? Girls, are you getting what I told? Are you understood?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Done now. What about others? Only from one girl I got respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how you prepared that, the data.
Ma'am, first I just wrote some names. On the top, I wrote a student name, and then I wrote names. And then beside that, I wrote attendance. Then I wrote present, absent, two present, two absence. So then below that, I wrote below at the end, I wrote equal to counted. That function I applied. That's it.
Okay. See, I'll show you. From my side, I'll do student names. The heading I should give. Sindhu, Soma, Isha, Dinesh, 5 students. And then one more I'll take Hari. Today date in my laptop, the date is what? 15. The day is first. 15/9/2022. So I had to drag to the right side. See, if it is showing like this slash, what I have to do is you need to double click on this column, each and every column like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4 days, I am preparing. Okay. If you want, you can show it for 5 days also. No problem. Again, if it is coming like this ash, so you need to double click on this column because the contents is not enough for the, it is not fit. It is not, the space is not enough. That's why we need to double click on like this. So now here I'll give P. P, P, A, I'll give P. A, A. P means present, A absent. Okay. Sindhu is very regular. She is absent. Sorry, she is present for every classes. So just you select the whole data, girls, then make it center alignment. Here I am giving number of present. Okay. In the next column, number of absent. Like this, you have prepared, girls, the data, or in the different way, your own way you have prepared.
Ma'am, I prepared only two columns. It had name and then attendance details, and
The
that's all.
date where you have taken, the date in which wise, like this only you have taken the date.
Yes, ma'am. Only one date.
Okay. See, I'll show you now. Number of students present, absent, I should count. Sindhu is present for how many classes? I should find out now. count, tab key you press, girls. See the range we need to select ma from where to where, from 15th of September to 19th of September. Comma you give. Open the double quotes. P you give. P letter. Okay. Close the bracket. The condition is what? Criteria what? P. Present. Enter. See 5 classes. 5 classes. She is a present. Just drag it out. See. Suma present only for 4 classes. Isha is also present for 4 classes. Dinesh is only for 3. Hari and Dinesh only attended for 3 classes. Okay. And then now I want to find out number of student absentees equals same formula ma, count if tab key, the range I'll select from 15th of September to 19th of September, comma, open the double quotes, A you give, close the double quotes, comma you give, enter. Sindhu, see why for Sindhu it is showing 0? For Sindhu, number of absent 0 it is showing. She is present for all classes. She attended for every classes. She is very regular. That's why it is showing like this. See? Okay. So for one classes, Suma absent. For Isha, one class absent. For Dinesh and Hari, both of the students are two classes. They have absent. Understood now? How to prepare the attendance? Like this, when in a simple way.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
next. The next concept, still it is there here. Pi. What is the pi value? Everybody knows this. Pi value is a constant value. 3.14 something it will come equals pi, open bracket, close bracket, enter. See the answer, 3.141 is the pi value. Pi value always it will be constant. It won't change. Okay. So this value which we'll use for the calculation for the derivations, we will use in the chemistry, in the mathematics, in the physics also, girls. Okay, in the derivation for such things. Even for other purpose also, we had to use this for calculations. The next function is round. Already taught this in the beginning class, only in the in the yesterday's class. Okay, round function. I told you if the value greater than 5, if the value greater than 5, if it is there, it will be going to add up 1. If greater less than 5, then it will not add it. Okay. The third, see what is the digit it is given in the first third digit. See the third digit 678. 23.678. The third digit is 8. 8 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Greater than 5 or less than 5, girls? It's greater than 5. So now equals round, tab key you press, number, comma, digit. Enter you press. See the third digit you should observe now. 679 is there. 8 plus 1 is how much, girls? 8 plus 1? 9. The third digit it is round off because it is greater than 5. And then what about this one, second one? 0. We have given here 0. That's why it is round off to the 24. And then next one, the third one, the second digit. See the second digits 23.67. Here 7 is not there. Instead of 7, 7 plus 1 is how much? 8. 23.68. See the last one, first digit. See the first digit. You should focus on first digit. 23.6. Actually 6 is also greater than 5. 6 plus 1 is how much? 7. See 23.7 is the answer results. The next one, right left middle function, girls. See, I'll show you. From the right side, I want to display some character. From left side, I want to display some few characters. From middle side, I should be get some few characters. How? equals right, tab key you press. The text is there, Mumbai, you select Mumbai, enter. Oh, I'm sorry, delete of this. Equals right, tab key you press, select the text Mumbai, comma 3, right side from 3, Mumbai, right side from 3 letters it will display. Any one of you tell me the results? What is the results?
The right side 3 letters would appear.
Mumbai is there now. Right side 3.
MUN. No, BI, guess. Yeah, right. So BI.
Okay, I'll see. Yeah, correct. Right side BAI, by. Correct. So now I should be find out for the same thing for left function, equals left, tab key you press, Mumbai, comma 3 you give. For this one also I'm giving 3. So what the results you will get? BAI by or
MUN.
mum. See, the left side from the 3 characters. Now I had to find out for middle, MBA. I don't want MU and then I don't want. Middle letter I'm taking. MBA I want. How to find out that? See. MID. MID means middle. Mi- Uh, MID means middle. You need to select the text first, comma 3, comma 3. Why I'm giving 2 times 3, 3? Any idea? You should see the format. See the format and do. See. The text Mumbai is selected. After that, starting number. The starting number here 3. From which letter, from which position you want? From third position I want. MUM. It is in third position. That's why I'm giving 3. From third position, how many characters you want? You want 3, 4, 2, how much you want? You should give it. MBA, 3 characters I want. So I'm giving 3. Understood why I'm giving 2 times 3, 3?
Yes, ma'am.
If I enter, then the text will get MBA like this. The next function formula. So concatenate function. So this function which will helps you the join the strings, join the text. Okay. So NICT it is in different cell. Computer education it is in different cell. So what should I want to do? I want to join this all the strings. See, I'll show you how to do this. Equals, type the formula. Instead of typing girls, press the tab key, it will take. So here I have to select NICT, select the NICT, comma, computer, comma, education. So all text we have selected. Okay, press enter. See now what it is showing for you. All 3 text it is combined in one cell. Without space, see how it's showing NICT, computer, education. But I want space. In the Excel, if you want to get the space, then what I want to do? I'll tell you how to do. So without space, the strings are joined. So how to edit this function? I want to give the space for this. How to edit this function formula? Something I need to press. Shortcut key already I told you. What are the shortcut keys to edit the function? F2, no. You have to press F2 to edit the formula. Keep the cursor, press F2 once. See, now you can edit the function formula. After the comma, here I'm giving double quotes. Actually, when should I want to use double quotes in the formula? Okay, whenever giving the condition, whenever giving the space. If you want to give the condition and then if you want to give the space, that time you need to use double quotes. Okay, one space you give, again close the double quotes, comma you give. So understood when you need to use the double quotes? For giving the condition criteria, and then for one purpose, another purpose is for what? Giving the space. Again girls, here also after the comma, double quote space, double quotes comma. This is what you have to give like this. If I enter, then I'll get the space. An ICT computer education. In case if you want 2 space, 3 space, if you want, what I had to do, keep the cursor here again, F2 you press. See inside the double quotes again I'm giving space, inside this double quote space, enter you press. See 2 space. Actually why 2 space is required? It is not required, so make it less. F2 you press again, keep the cursor backspace you do, enter. Oh sorry, for this one also we had to do it. No, here also keep the cursor backspace, enter. See, understood? So now all of you answer to my question, when we had to use the double quotes in the formula in Excel. All of you put it in the chat box girls. Answer to my question. When you people will be going to use double quotes in the function in the formula in Excel. Answer it. Only from one side, only one student. When we want to give the space. Only for the space I told. Girls fast. Give, I want answer. For criteria and then space. Okay. Only 3 of them. Got it? No, understood, right? Yeah. So these are basics needs, girls. You should remember these things, the tricks you have to use. Come to the next one. Network days and network days INTL. These formulas. Okay. So what is network days? What is network days INTL? Network days function is there, no? That will be going to consider as Sundays and Saturday. See Accenture, TCS, Infosys, who were working in the company, for them Saturday, Sundays are holiday. Working day from Monday to Friday for them. Okay. So here girls, I should be find out in the December 2019 month. Okay. So I should be find out what is the total number of working days. The Sundays are 5 days in the December month. Saturdays are 4 days. Holiday 25th December means Christmas, that is government holiday. In case if you have any sick leave, emergent casual leave, sick leave, if it is there, you can show it that also. Okay. See, total number of working days in the December month I should be find out. See, I'll show you equals network days. I have to select from 1st of December. Start date, girls, give the start date. Start date of working 1st December. Comma you give. End date I had to select. End date means 31st of December. Select it, comma. Okay. End date. After that, end date, it is showing you holidays, girls. This is what my holidays. Don't select this, only for your reference. I have mentioned here Sundays. In the 2000 December 2019, if you check the calendar, that time 5 Sundays was there, and then Saturdays 4 days. Okay. See, girls, if I press enter, then results will be 21st. Only I worked from Monday to Friday. That's it. From Monday to Friday, it's working day. Saturday is holiday, Sunday is holiday, and then holidays, government holidays also holiday. Total number of working day in the December month, 21 days.
Ma'am, can you please repeat it once again?
This one, okay. See, network days is there, no? That will be going to take Sundays, Saturdays, and then plus holidays. In case if we have sick leave, CL if you have, see for example, I used on CL on 26th I took, okay. 25th was a government holiday, 26th was, that is my CL, casual leave, okay. If it is there, you can mention the leaves. So actually working days I should be find out here. See, equals network days, press the tab key. The start date, girls, the start date, where is the start date? 1st of December is the start date. You have to select, comma you give, and then the end date, it is there. See the format of the function. End date is 31st of December. Select that, comma you give, and then girls here holiday. Holiday 25th was Christmas. 26th was, that is my CL I took. Okay, just you select both the dates. So now if I enter total number of working days in the December month 2019 was how much? 20 days. Now you understood? Saturday I didn't work, Sundays I didn't work, government holiday was there, and then one CL I used. Now you understood in that one?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am.
Okay. The next one I'll show you only Sundays. Most of the see for the banks, second Saturday, fourth Saturday will be holiday. For the few of the companies, only for them, only Sundays are holiday. We people are teachers. We had to work on Saturdays also. Monday to Saturday we had to work. Only on Sundays, government holidays are for us. Okay, it is there. For them, what we had to do? See, we don't have Saturdays leave. We had to work on Saturdays also. For them, how to calculate, girls? See, I'll show you. Equals. For that one, we had to use network days INTL international. Tab Q press. See what it is asking. Start date you need to select. 1st of December, comma you give. 31st of December you select, comma you give. You will get code number here. Saturday, Sundays if you want, the code number is 1. Sunday, Monday, if it is holiday for you, for your company, you should select 2. 3, Monday, Tuesday. But I will select this 11, code number 11. In the 11, what it is mentioned, only Sunday. For my company, holiday is only on Sundays. Okay. So tab Q press, comma, holidays. 25th usually for everyone it's government holiday, and then I took 26th as a CL, casual leave. Just select it, enter. Oh, so what it is showing? Once again, girls, something went wrong. Delete it. Yeah, again I'll show you. Network days INTL tab. Start date. Start means 1st of December, comma, 31st of December, comma. The code one, I'll take this one, the 11. 11 is what? Only Sundays are holiday. Sundays only holiday. Comma you give. The holiday we need to select. 25th Christmas, 26th casual leave. Enter you press. Wait girls, I'll do it in the different cell. Something went wrong there. Equals network days INTL 1st of December, comma 31st of December, comma. So you click on here Sunday only, comma you give, and then holidays 25th and 26th. Enter you press. See, yeah, 24 days I worked in the December month 2019. So I worked on Saturdays also. Understood girls? What is network days and network days INTL? Is there any doubts in the network days and network days INTL? Network days, Sunday, Saturdays will consider, and then network days INTL is the no, that one how we want we can choose. Only Sunday, only Monday, how we want we can select it. Is there any doubts in the network days and INTL? Still logical functions are there. I will explain that. And then HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP functions are there. I need to explain that also. Will you take the break now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
This conference will now be recorded.
Someone asked me to repeat this one, network days and network days INTL. Which one I want to explain? The both or only INTL?
Only INTL.
Only INTL. Okay. Equals network days. Select the formula. Press the tab key to select the entire formula. So here what I want to do, start date of the December. Start date means 1st of December you select. See the format and follow here. Okay. So 1st of December you select, comma, just use scroll, come to the last date on the December 31st actually. Select the 31st of December, comma you give, and then after that you will get codes like this. Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that. Depends on your company. So my company, it is only on Sundays holiday for me. So that's why I'm taking here only Sunday. The code number is 11. Just you double click on here, comma you give, then you have to select holidays. Along with you have to select holidays. So 25th was Christmas in the 2019 December, and then 26th of December I took on CL. Okay, you should select both the dates. So you have taken two leaves. One is government holiday and then one is CL from company. Okay, enter you press. The total number of working days in the December month was 24 days. I worked in the 2019 December. Now you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
However you want. So Sundays you want, or Saturdays you want, or Friday, Monday you want. However you want, you can select it from INTL formula. Okay. But in the network days it is not like that. It will take both Saturdays and Sundays, but in the INTL we need to select, that depends on our company. The code number will be there, that number we need to select. This is what girls INTL, network days INTL formula. Then now I'll explain you logical function, very important function, girls. Very important. You should concentrate on that. Yeah. So listen carefully. Very important. On this, I'll give you work now. After explaining this, I'll give you some work for this. See, logical function. In the logical function, we can use if, and, or, not. This all the things we can use in the logical function. Okay, right? So what is that? Let's see. So checks whether a condition is met and returns on a value if the true and another value false. Seagulls, for example, if the condition is matching with the statement 1, again I'll repeat. So if the condition is matching with the statement, first statement, then the results will be going to get true. If the condition is not satisfying, it is not satisfies with the statement 2, then your answers will be wrong, false. If the condition, if it is matched with statement 1, then results will be true. If the condition, if it is not matched with condition 2, statement 2, then results will be false. That is what if. Along with if, I can use and also. Here I can't use multiple conditions. See, so for one condition with one statement, for another condition another statement, like that. If you want to use multiple condition, that time you should use and. Okay, let us discuss with and. It is used to check multiple condition. And why we need to use and? To check what? Multiple conditions. If all condition must be true, then the results will be true. See, all condition must be true to display the true statement. Okay, if any one of the condition is false, then results will be false. If you passed in all subjects, then results will be pass only. If any one of the subjects, if you failed, then results will be fail. So for example, you have written 6 subject in the exams. How many subjects you have wrote in the exam? 6 subjects. In that you failed one subject, then what the results will be going to announce? Fail only, because you have failed in one subject. If it is all subject, if it is passed, then results will be pass only. If any one of the subject, if you fail, then results will be false only, means fail. So you observe this table, then you will be going to understand this. Statement 1 and then statement 2. The first statement, if the first statement true is there, one statement true, another statement true is there, then results will be true only. Okay, see, one statement is true, another statement is false. If it is there, then false only. See, if the both the statements are false, then results will be false only. One statement is false, another one is true, then results will be false only. If it is all statements are true, then only the results will be true, true, true. Okay, and is very strict, girls. You need to pass in everything. Okay, if all statement is true, all condition, if it is satisfying with the statement, then only the and will gives you true statement. Okay, correct results it will give you. Or is opposite, and opposite or. Okay, see, it is used to check multiple condition. Even or is also using for what purpose? Used to check the multiple condition. It will display true statement if any one of the condition is satisfied. Again I'll repeat, if any one condition, if any, it will display true statement if any one of the condition is satisfied. One of the condition, if it is satisfied, if it is okay, then results will be also okay. Okay, and will display the false statement when all the conditions are not satisfied. You have wrote 6 subject in the exams. In that you have passed only one subject, remaining 5 subjects are you people are failed, then results will be announced pass only. Like that, the answer you will get in the or. Okay, in the 6 subject, at least you need to pass one subject, remaining subject are pass only. In the results, it will be going to show you pass only. See this table, then you will be going to understand. See, one is true, another one is false, then also it will be true only. One is false, another one is true, then results also will be true only. All the statement, if it is false, then only the answer is false. You have wrote 6 subject. So for example, you have wrote 6 subject, all 6 subjects are failed, then results will be fail only. If it is all 6 subjects, if you have passed, then the results will be pass. Like that here also, if one statement false, another statement also false, the results also false. First statement true, second statement is also true, the results also will be true only. So if you understood this, then we can go for this one. The example I'll give you 50, 60, 70, 80. So here I am comparing 50 to 60, which value is greater. 60 to 70, I'm comparing. 70 value is greater. 60 with 80, I'm comparing. 80 value is greater. 60 value is lesser. Like that, I'm comparing and then I'm find outing the results. Okay. See here what I'm doing. Here the formula is, it has been given. Okay. See, I'll show you how to do this. Equals if tab key. A, I'll select girls. A value is 50. B value is 60. C value is 70. D value is 8. Okay. I'm going to select this A value greater than B, comma, open the double quotes, true. Close the double quotes, comma, open the double quotes, false. Close the double quotes, close the bracket. Yeah. See, 50 selected, 50 greater than 60. So here the condition has to be display here true or false. Girls, actually 50 is greater or 60 is greater? Answer ma now. 50 or 60 is greater, yeah? 60 is greater, but here A is greater than 50 it is given. Then what the results you will get? False or true?
False.
Yeah, correct.
False, ma'am.
Your answer is absolutely correct. So now along with if I'm taking now and also. Why I'm taking and? Because to check multiple condition. See previously, so here I used only two conditions. See only, sorry, one condition, sorry. 50 greater than 60, one condition I checked. Like that, I should check multiple condition now. That's why I'm using and. Okay, if with along with if I'm using and now. Equals if A and D, and is very strict girls. If you passed in all subjects, then results will be passed. If any one of the subjects failed, then results also fail only. Like that and. Okay, open the bracket. See, B I'm selecting here. B greater than A. First I'll type and then I'll discuss you with you later. C greater than B, comma. See what about the next one condition here? A greater than D. A greater than D. Close the bracket. After all giving three condition, actually three condition it is mentioned here. After giving all three condition, you should close the bracket, girls. See, beginning the bracket is open. After giving the condition, you should close. Comma you give, open the bracket. For example, pass I am giving. Whatever you want, girls, you can give. Close the double quotes, commas, fail I'll give. How many number of times bracket has been opened here? The black color one, red color one. 2 times bracket is open. The same number of times bracket has to be closed. Okay. Always in the Excel, in the beginning of the formula, how many times bracket is open, the same number of times what you have to do means you have to close. Okay. See, let us discuss these conditions. B greater than A. Of course, I'll agree this. 60 is greater than 50. I'll agree, ma. This is correct. Next one. C greater than B. C value is 70. B value is 60. C greater than B. Of course, this is also correct. I'll agree with this. The last condition. What about the last condition? A greater than D. A greater than D. No, D actually greater. The last condition is not satisfying. It is showing wrong statement, wrong condition is there. So then what the results you will get? First one,
Negative result.
second, negative results. The first one and second one is correct. The last one is not matching. Actually, how the 50 will 50 is greater than 80? No, no. So then results will be fail only. I told you, no, all condition, if it is all three condition, if it is satisfied, then the results you will get pass. But here now, one condition is not satisfied, no, that's why the result is fail. Come to the next. I'm using now and understood, no, I'm using now or equals if or open the bracket. To give the condition, I have to open the bracket. Hmm? Now you see girls, A less than B, comma, C less than B. Hmm. Next one, A less than B, C less than B, and then another condition, last one, B less than C. Okay, sorry, D less than C, I think. Yeah, C. After giving condition, you should close. You must close. Comma, open the double quotes. Wrong, right, I'll give. Right. Close the bracket, comma, space. Open the double quotes. Wrong. Close the double quotes, close the bracket. How many number of times bracket has been opened? The same number of times the bracket has to be closed in the Excel, in the formula. Okay. So let us discuss with these condition girls, which are the conditions are correct, which are the condition is not correct. Let us discuss now. A less than B. A less than B. Of course, it's correct. A is less than B. I'll agree with this. What about the next one? C less than B. C less than B. No, no, no. How the C will less? It's great only. Greater than 60. This is second one. Second condition is wrong. Okay. See the third last condition. D less than C. No, no. Only first condition is satisfying. The second, third conditions are not satisfying girls. Okay. First one is correct. Second, third is wrong. Then what the results you will get? Answer to my
Wrong.
question now. I think ma, it is not a strict one, not like and or is not strict. If one condition,
Ma'am,
if it
but
is
in all
satisfied, then results
there
will.
is yes, ma'am, but in that the table which you showed, it said that when there is two false, it would show false.
See here, if any one condition, if it is satisfied, this is or actually. See, one true, one false, true only. One false, one true, true only. If it is all false, then only false. If it is
Okay,
all true,
ma'am. I
then
thought
true.
when there's two false, then
Mm.
it will appear false.
Then what results you will get now?
Right.
Yeah, correct. Something went wrong. It is not showing results. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Girls, here something went wrong. I'll type. I'll do it here. The same thing only. Mm, I'll do it here. Okay. Equals if or A less than B, comma, C less than B, done, comma. The next one, D less than C, D less than C. Okay, close the bracket after giving condition, comma. Double quotes, you should give the condition, right? Close the double quotes, comma, space, wrong. The condition has to be written in double quotes only, okay? Close the double quotes, close the bracket, enter. Right is the answer. Because the first condition is satisfying, no, that's why the result is right. You understood the logical function topic? Now
Yes,
you understand?
ma'am.
Yeah, then girls, all of you find out then pass and fail results. Let's see how you'll do. I'll give you 5 minutes time. Then I'll show you. If it is not coming, then I'll explain for you. Here 6 subjects are there. Listen, I'll give you the clue how to do this one. So here some few students are there. 6 subjects are there. Each subject carries 100 marks. For 100 marks, they have got these many marks. Actually, passing marks is 35. Okay, if they got 35, more than 35, 35 or greater than, equal to, greater than 35. If they got 35 or 36 also, they have passed. Passing marks is 35. If they got 35, then they are pass. Less than 35 if they got, then they are failed. This is the clue I have given. The result has to be come very strictly. If any one if any one subject, if it is less than 35 is there, then that student is fail only. So do it, girls. 5 minutes. I'll give you the time. If it is not coming, I'll show you how to do that one. I'll explain you. Try to do this, girls. Pass, fail. Use and if ma. Use if and. Both you use and then find out the results. Are you getting, ma? Girls, hello? Are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do. Passing marks is 35. If and you should use. Every subject you had to give 35, 35 passing marks. If it is not coming, I'll show you, I'll explain you.
Yes, ma'am. Please explain. It's not coming for me. I
Not
tried.
coming. Okay. See, I'll show you. So this is what the table here I should be find out pass whether the students are passed or failed. Okay. So here, if here only few data is there, we can find out and easily we can tell. Oh, all are. So actually, John got more than 35 only. Here, James got 25 in the max, means failed. The result is failed. If it is small data, we can find out, girls. If we have huge data, huge number of data, that time we can't analyze these things. That time we have to use formula only. Okay. See how to calculate actually here. See, I'll show you. Hmm. Equals if, open the bracket, and I'm using, result has to come very strict. Okay. Now what I am doing, I'm selecting the subject, max subject 78. No, that subject I selected greater than equal to 35, comma. Next subject you select greater than equal to 35. 35 is the passing. More greater than 35 also passing marks. If anybody got exact 35, those students also pass. Greater than 35 also if they got, that students also passed. Comma. Again Hindi. Select the Hindi greater than 35. Sorry, greater than equal to 35. Comma. Next one. Select the Kannada subject greater than equal to 35. Comma. The next one English greater than equal to 35. The last one, ma. Social greater than equal to 35. After giving all condition, you should close the bracket. Till here you understood, girls? Each and every subject you should select, you have to give greater than equal to 35. Till here you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, comma, space, double quotes. I am giving the condition in the double quotes, pass, close the double quotes, comma, open the double quotes, and then another condition I am giving, fail. Close the double quotes. The bracket has to close one time. The 2 times bracket has been open in the beginning, same number of times bracket is closed. If I enter, the results will be pass. Just you drag it. Don't apply for or don't do the calculation for every students. Just you keep the cursor and drag it. See, oh, 2 students are failed, girls. 2 students, James and Smith. See, James. See, James in the max 25. Here also fail marks 25. And then this 3 subject failed, James. And then this fellow, Smith, in Hindi, he's failed. That's it. See, see. Now you understood, girls, how to find out the pass failed results?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And then one more thing I forgot to tell you. Wednesday, your class will be going to end. Wednesday means 21st. Okay. Coming Wednesday. 21st is the last class. On that day, So first hour will be revision will be conducted. Revision I will do you. Second hour 6 to 7 revision will be girls. There will be revision classes 6 to 7. 7 to 8 there will be online exams for you on 21st. Don't forget. Now only I'm telling for you. Okay. So when is the last class for you? 21st of September, coming Wednesday. So first our revision will be there. Second our exams will be there. That is online exams. Is there any doubts, girls? In the
Ma'am, like, how are the questions going to be? Is it like MCQ or
um,
something like that?
MCQ.
Okay,
There
ma'am.
will be MCQ questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So one Friday, one class I'll get. Monday I'll get one class, Tuesday I'll get. Three classes are there to cover the all topics. Three classes are there. I'll cover everything, remaining topics. So Wednesday you well prepare for that everything. So for exams, revision will be there first hour. Then after that exams. So keep it in your mind, girls. Don't forget it. Okay. 21st is last day. Then someone asked me the doubt, ma'am, please explain me Gantt chart. Girls, in the tomorrow class, I'm going to explain H and V lookup. Now it's time up. So it will take lot of time to explain that H and V lookup, very important function in the formula that I'll explain in the tomorrow. So here someone asked me the doubt, ma'am, please explain Gantt chart. This one also I'll explain. After finishing Gantt chart and then the sorry, what is that? Yeah. Gantt chart and then formula H lookup and V lookup, then I'll be going to start new topic. Advanced formula I'll explain. Then after that I'll explain new topic. So tomorrow topic is what? H lookup, V lookup functions. Gantt chart doubt is there for someone. That one I'll clear. And then advanced formula I'll explain. Then after that I'll be going to start with the data tab. Okay. So in the today's class, any doubts you have, girls? Any doubts you have, ma? Understood the today's topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, girls. Don't leave the class. I'm taking the attendance. Yes, girls. I took the attendance. It's finished. Girls, prepare well and then finish off as soon as possible the assignments. So 5 assignments I gave. No, you finish off that and then submit it. Hmm?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, can I submit the assignment by Saturday?
Why Saturday you want?
Ma'am, actually, I have lot of class assignments also, so
Hmm.
it will be like it. Like, can you just extend for one day, like till Saturday?
But you shouldn't miss. You should be submit on that day only. Okay. You have
Yes,
taken day
ma'am.
1 day extra. So try to finish on Saturday. Okay. No
Yes,
problem.
ma'am. Yeah. Thank
Hmm.
you, ma'am.
So, ma'am, for the assignment, do we have to do it only till frequency? Charvi, Sanjay, you had to finish off all sheets, not till frequency distribution. Pivot table file, whichever I have sent you, in that you have to do it every sheets, all sheet, chart, sparkline. There's so many things, lot of concepts are there in that sheet.
Ma'am,
You
in
should
that
do
we're
it all.
not able to execute some results.
Which one it is not coming? Let us discuss tomorrow. You keep it as
Yes,
pending.
ma'am. Actually, ma'am, some instructions are a little bit confusing. So we have to
Mm,
try it on by ourselves, then we'll get it. Or else
mm,
by when we follow the instructions, we are not getting the output.
okay. Whichever
Yes,
doubt
ma'am.
is there, yeah, whichever doubt is there, you keep it pending. You ask me in the class, I'll explain. I'll clear your doubts. I'll give you the
Okay,
idea
ma'am.
how to do. You have to do all sheets. Okay. Don't skip any sheets.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I sent you one sheet today, and can I send the others tomorrow?
Yeah, yeah. You can send it, resend, you can do.
Okay, ma'am. I'll resend it together.
Okay. Ma. So that's all, girls. Any doubts you have?
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
girls. I'm leaving this meeting. Bye, girls. Take care. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.